Welcome to Vowel Revolution. We need vowels to read. Can you say them with me? A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes the letter Y. Let's try it again. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes the letter Y. Sometimes the vowel E has magic. When a word has a magic E, it gives the vowel power to say its name. Let's look at some words that have a magic E. Cape, huge, stone, bite, and cube. All of these words have a magic E in them. In cape, the E makes the A say A. In huge, the E makes the U say U. In stone, the E makes the O say O. In bite, the E makes the I say I. Fun. That is what learning vowels can be. Say them once more with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U.